Hello friends, in this short video, I'm going to show you how I quickly edit my Instagram stories and show you some Instagram features that you probably didn't know about. You're going to open your Instagram story and import the picture you want to edit. So you're going to do this thing and make sure you pick the right font as you see. Put the dot and click space bars and then spread it all over the picture, and after that you're going to click save and like this, and then you're going to open it again. And this time you're going to click here and pick the picture again with the full color. You can pick the shape just by clicking on it and center it wherever you want. And then you can post whatever new post or whatever message you want. That was my mom. And then after that, you can pick whatever feature you want. Like I like the search bar, so you can like whatever it's cute to you. And then after this, you're going to save that again and then import that saved thing again. So it's imported and you're going to put anything you want to put in the search bar. Just make sure that the letters are black colors, it's contrast. Oops. So okay, here it is. And then place it there like this. And then my favorite part after this is go to GIF and just put like, let's say party, and you're going to find this interesting GIF, colorful, and then you can like stretch it and put it all the way on the corner, like so it doesn't cover the entire content. And then you can put another one, and it's kind of cool. Another interesting thing is that you can change your reel cover picture after your post just by simply going to edit in the reel section and just, choose the picture or pick the frame, whatever you like, and it's going to automatically show on your feed as a new picture. So that is really good. And lastly, how I edit my pictures on To Go simply in my iPhone.